Back into another video. I'm going to show you guys how to get TrueSkate for free. The first thing you need to do is go to the link in the description below. And when you get to the link, it will be something like this. When you downloaded it, it will be something like this. Get APK Market. So you can see the little Android body. Okay, first you need to get that. And any game you want, you just go to the Play Store and you search. Sorry guys. And then you just click TrueSkate. Then you go to that. Then you go straight down till you see share. Click share. And then a list will pop up, and then you just click get APK Market. Then you just click get. Click get. Click the first link. Don't click the others because the others will be scams. You can go open the browser, but I'm doing this so it will be shorter. You don't need to do anything. Don't study that. Just skip this ad, and then it will automatically start to download. And when it's finished downloading, you will click it at the top here, but I don't have it there. I will just go here. And then you click download. If you exit off by accident, you go to your file manager, download. As you can see, there's all this. Let's see. Click download. As you can see, there's all sorts. Right, as you can see, and you just click the first link here. I downloaded some by accident. I do not know why. Okay, well, I'm not going to install it because I'll lose all my credits. It's a full one. You can customize your skateboards, and when you finish install it, the icon will be like this. And this green bar here is nothing, it's just a bunch of apps. If you want, you could go see, nothing wrong with it. And then you see it's fully working. See, so you can find. Oops. Hiya. Ooh, almost made a 360-degree turn. Oh yeah, that was totally awesome. Push come to shove. Yeah, you can do that, bro. as you can see. The Oli and plus the grind plus a board kit. Oh, landed it. Yeah, as you can see guys, it's fully working. So please likes, subscribe, and peace.